Good morning, dear students. The theorems what we put already in the chapter areas of parallels and triangles. How we are going to apply these theorems to solve the examples we want to see today. Okay. So now exercise 11.3. So just I want to remind you the theorems what you have proved. Yes, that is two parallel lines L and M. Two parallel lines L and M. Yes, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. BCEF is also a parallelogram. Yes, ABCD is a parallelogram. BCEF is also a parallelogram. Yes, which are having the same base between the same parallels. Between the same parallels, then the relation between their areas are equal in area. Parallelograms standing on the same base between the same parallels are always equal in area. Whatever the number of parallelograms, having same base between the same parallels, they are always equal in area. This theorem we have proved. And yes, here L and M are two parallels. Yes, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and APB is a triangle standing on the same base between the same parallels. Then area of triangle is half of the area of parallelogram. And also two or more triangles standing on the same base between the same parallels, then they are also equal in area. These are the theorems we have proved. And another important point, important example also you have solved, it means proved, that is, yes, what is that? Then there is ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. D, that means AD. AD is the median that I have defined. D is the midpoint of BC. When that midpoint E is joined by the opposite vertex, then this length is said to be AD. AD is the median. Median of a triangle divides the two triangles of equal area. This is very important point to remember, and that can also use to solve some examples. Okay, and once again, median of a triangle divides that triangle into two triangles of equal area. That will be proved, that will be applied to solve the examples in exercise 11.3. So they have given here a figure. They have given a figure. What is that? So figure is related to the example. First work is to clarify how that is and what it is. In the given figure, E is any point. In the given figure, that is ABC is a triangle. E is any point of the median. E is AD. AD is the median. Triangle ABC. Then to prove area of triangle ABE is equal to area of triangle ACE. See, very carefully you have to observe. So this is a given figure. In the figure, what they are given? E is any point of what? E is any point of the median AD. AD is the median. Is it? Then prove that area of ABE. Area of ABE is equal to area of ACE. Prove. Okay. Yes. So now, very carefully you have to observe and given things very important. AD is the median. Yes. AD is a median of triangle ABC. Okay, the given. AD is the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, what? The theorem what example proved. Median of a triangle divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area. Therefore, area of triangle ABD. Yes, AD is the median. AD is the median. ABD is equal to area of a triangle ADC. Call this equation number 1. Yes. Yes. Okay. So here AD is the median. What about ED? What about ED? Yes. AD is the median. What about ED? ED is also median of what? ED is the median of triangle EBC. Understanding? ED is also part of AD, so ED is the median of triangle EBC. Yes. And also ED is a median. ED is a median of triangle. Very carefully. EBC. EBC. Therefore, ED divides the triangle EBC into two triangles of equal area. That is, area of triangle EBD is equal to area of triangle ECD. Let's call this equation number 2. Yes. So here ABD is equal to ADC, EBD is equal to EDC. So from ABD you have to subtract this. The remaining is AB. Again ACD is there. You have to subtract this. The remaining is our proof. Okay. Therefore subtracting 2, the equation 2 by 1, that is area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD equal to area of triangle ADC or ACD minus area of triangle ECD or EDC. Yes, it means equals are taken from equals. Is it? Therefore, ABD minus EBD. ABD minus EBD equal to ABE. Yes. Therefore, area of triangle ABE. Is it correct? ABD minus EBD is ABE. ADC minus ECD is ACE is equal to area of triangle ACE. See, this is our result. Hence, the proof. S, which point you applied here, median of a triangle divides the triangle into two triangles what? Equal in area. Very important. The second example, the question is, in a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD, show that area of triangle BEDE is equal to 1/4 of the area of triangle ABC. So, triangle ABC is given. Triangle ABC is given. S, ABC is a triangle, AD is the median, AD is the median, E is the midpoint of the median AD, E is midpoint of AD, E is the midpoint of median AD, then area of BED, area of BED, area of triangle BED is equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Yes. In last example, you proved E is any point. E is any point. At that time, ABD, ABE is equal to AC. You have proved that. Now, E is the midpoint of the median. A is the midpoint of the median. Then, to prove that area of BED, prove that BED is 1/4 of the given triangle. 1/4 of the given triangle. Yes. Given that AD is a median of triangle ABC. Yes. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. That is, therefore, area of triangle ABD is half of the area of triangle ABC. Correct? Oh, this is question number 1. Area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD, means area of ABD is half of ABC. Yes, area of triangle ABD is half of ABC, and also E is the midpoint of AD. Very important point they are given. If they are not given, we cannot prove. E is midpoint of AD, means B is median. Yes, E is the midpoint of AD. Therefore, BE is median of triangle ABD. Correct? Yes. There also BE is B or and also EE is midpoint of AD. That is BE is median. B is median of triangle ABD. Yes, ABD. Therefore, area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle EBD. Area of triangle BED is equal to area of triangle BED. It means area of triangle BED is half of ABD is equal to half of the area of triangle ABD. Correct? For this equation number 2, area of triangle BED is half the area of triangle ABD. Yes, from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what we can understand here? BED is half of ABD. ABD is half of ABC. Yes, from 1 and 2, area of triangle BED is equal to half of area of ABD. ABD is half of ABC. Half of area of triangle ABC. Correct? ABD, half of ABD. Instead of ABD, I am going to substitute half of ABC. So, is equal to half into half is 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. Understanding? Hence, proof. Yes, ABD instead of ABD is half of ABC or substituted half into half is 1/4 area of triangle ABC. It means when E is the midpoint of the median of the triangle ABCD, then BED is 1/4 of the triangle ABC. What about ABE? What about ABE? ABE is also 1/4 of the triangle ABC. Then if you are joining this here, at that time ECD is also 1/4. AEC is also 1/4. See now. In this way, we are going to apply the theorems or examples which you have proved very carefully. So, in this way we are proving E is a midpoint of the median AD. Then one part of the triangle is always 1/4 of the given triangle, whatever it is. Okay. Next one example we will see now. Example number 3, show that the diagonals of parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. 4 triangles of equal area. See, this is how we are going to use. It is given, parallelogram is given, parallelogram is given. Yes, try to remind what are the important properties of the parallelogram and theorem which you have proved. Yes. Yes, ABCD is a parallelogram. The diagonals of parallelogram, diagonals AC and BD are two diagonals intersecting at O. Divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. That is the proof. Yes, what are the properties of diagonal? Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Very important property. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Just I will tell first, then we will go on writing. Okay. Diagonals bisect each other means AO equal to CO. AO equal to CO. It means O is the midpoint of AC. O is the midpoint of AC. What it means? O is the midpoint of AC means OD is the median. Yes, D is the median of triangle ADC. So ADO or AOD equal to COD. Similarly, DOC equal to COB. Similarly, COB equal to AOB. Similarly, AOB equal to AOD. All are equal in area. So that in that way we are going to prove. Yes, now, yes, diagonals of parallelogram. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other. Yes, that is AO equal to CO and BO equal to BO. Very important. AO equal to CO means O is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, BO is a median. BO is median of triangle ADC. Understanding? DO is the midpoint of AC. So O means DO is a median. So of triangle ADC. Okay. Therefore, area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle COD. Area of triangle AOD means median divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area COD. So Similarly, what we can write? O is the midpoint of DB also. At that time, CO is the median. Therefore, COD equal to COB. Directly I am writing now. Similarly, area of triangle COD, area of triangle COD equal to area of triangle COB. See the figure? Yes, and also BO is the median, COB equal to BOA, and area of triangle COB is equal to area of triangle BOA or AOB, and area of triangle AOB is equal to area of triangle AOD. See, AOD equal to COD, COD equal to COB, COB equal to AOB, AOB equal to AOD. Yes, from 1, 2, 3 and 4, all equations together tells that area of triangle AOD equal to area of triangle COD is equal to area of triangle COB is equal to area of triangle COB. AOD, COD, or here COD, AOD, COD, COB, AOD, AOD. It means parallelograms, diagonals of parallelograms divide that parallel into 4 triangles are of equal area. So this is how we are going to use the median property of a triangle. So have equal area, then the parallels are equal area when they are standing on the same distance, same parallels, and parallelogram and triangle standing on the same base between the same parallels, then area of triangle is half of the area of parallel, and 2 or more triangles standing on the same base between the same parallels, they are always equal in area. That properties try to use to solve the remaining examples. Okay. Thank you.